If you want to cut out a part of the video in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to remove a section from your video without overcomplicating the process. This is super useful if you want to delete mistakes, remove pauses, cut out unwanted scenes, or tighten up your edit so it looks more professional. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, make sure the video you want to edit is on the timeline. If it's not already there, just drag and drop your video into the timeline so you can start editing it. The timeline is where all the trimming and cutting happens, so this is where we'll work step by step. Now, move the playhead to the beginning of the section you want to remove. The playhead is that vertical line that shows exactly where you are in the video. You can drag it carefully until it sits right at the point where the unwanted section starts. This part matters because the more accurate you are here, the cleaner your final cut will look. Once the playhead is in position, click Split on the toolbar above the timeline. If you want a faster shortcut, you can also press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. This creates a cut right where your playhead is placed. Now move the playhead to the end of the section you want to remove. Again, drag it until it lines up with the exact point where that unwanted part ends. Then click Split again, or use Ctrl+B one more time. At this point, you've separated the part you want to remove from the rest of the clip. Next, select the clip section between the two split points. This is the middle section that you no longer want in your video. Once it's selected, press Delete on your keyboard, or right-click and choose Delete from the menu. As soon as you remove it, you may notice a gap in the timeline. That's completely normal. The final step is to drag the remaining clips together if there is a gap. Just click and move the clips so they snap back into place, closing the empty space. This keeps your video flowing smoothly without any awkward pauses. And that's it. You've now learned how to cut out part of a video in CapCut PC using a simple split and delete method. This is one of the most useful editing skills, because once you know it, you can clean up your videos much faster and make your edits look much more polished. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.